Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day, honey. If you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below what do you think of today's topic. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about South African celebrities who are Sangomas. Yes guys, being a Sangoma is something that most people appreciate because it is a gift from the ancestors. With more and more famous people becoming Sangomas, it is no surprise that we see them opening about it on social media. Now, today I'm going to be mentioning 5 celebrities because I don't want the video to drag too long. And then next time I am going to do a part 2. We will check out more celebrities who are Sangomas. I hope you will enjoy today's video. Please don't forget the rule, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Now on number 1 we have Boity Tulo. Boity Tulo was born on 28th of April in 1990. She is a South African TV personality, a rapper, an actress, a businesswoman, and she is also a model. Now she became a Sangoma in 2016 and she is embracing it every day. She revealed on social media that she has decided to follow her family's calling. Boity Tulo is not yet married and she also has a single where she is a rapper in that song. She is a businesswoman, she has her own businesses, she is just so beautiful, and she is living her life. Okay, now people are just so judgmental when it comes to Sangomas. They think Sangomas are dirty or they don't bath. People are just so judgmental, but Boity Tulo is just a slaying hand who is also a Sangoma, taking care of herself and also wearing anything that she wants to wear, because some people think that you can't even drink alcohol, you can't even wear short dresses and whatnot, but this is not the case with Boity Tulo. I guess, I don't know, I think it's different for everyone, or maybe people were just saying and without any experience. I do not know, but yes guys, congratulations on Boity Tulo for following her gift that she got from her ancestors and just continuing to live her life to the fullest. Now on number 2 we have Baby Cele. So Baby Cele was born on 22 March on 1972 and she is currently married to her husband Thabo Moluka. She is known for her profession as an actress and her most popular role is from Uzalo as Ugabisile. She announced on social media that she became a Sangoma in 2004. Her mother was also a Sangoma, so it might be a family thing. Now, we know when it comes to a calling, it can happen to your children or sometimes it can happen to the family as a whole. So it depends on what your ancestors want, but it's a good thing that she decided to follow her calling, and it's been long. She has been living with this calling for from 2004. She is living her life, living her best life, slaying as always, and we love that for her. On number 3 we have Thandeka Dawn King. Now Thandeka Dawn King was born on 1 October in 1977. And she is known as a singer and actress. She is most popular for her role on Uzalo as Umangobo. She began her journey as a traditional healer in 2009. She revealed that she is grateful for her calling because it gave her strength to get through the challenges that she faced in her life. Now, having a calling can sometimes save you from a lot of things that you never know, but it was a great thing for her, and she is just happy that she followed the calling because it saved her from the challenges. Because as we all know, whether you are famous or not, the challenges are always there, guys. We all fight different battles, and it's just a lot, you know. On number 4, we have Bongani Maso. Bongani Maso was born on 26th of January in 1984, and he is popularly known for his role on Skeem Saam. The talented singer decided to put his career on hold on 2011 to pursue his gift as a Sangoma. Now, he is also known for his role on the TV drama that used to play a long time ago. I don't know if you guys still remember it. It was called Chisa. Yes, he played on that TV drama, and on Skeem Saam he was called Baby Maker. For those who are confused on some, like, this guy on Skeem Saam, yes guys, he was on Skeem Saam. He was called Baby Maker. He was friends with Lieto Maputla. He decided to follow his gift. It's a great thing that he even decided to put his career on hold, because there was some times where he disappeared for, like, you know, he disappeared for, I think, for like a year or two, which means it was that time where he was, you know, deciding to fix the calling gift and listen to what his ancestors were saying. Now on number 5 we have Ubuhlebendalo Mda. So Ubuhlebendalo Mda was born on the year 1988, and she is a musician. She is popularly known for singing for a group called The Soil. Yes guys, we know her from The Soil. Take a very good look at this person. Maybe you've forgotten her, or you only knew the songs but didn't know the people who were singing in those songs, you know. She announced that she was taking a break in 2016 from music to pursue her calling. She is back now, but the group is no more. But yes, we are happy for her. That's all I have for you today, guys. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also subscribe.